Python or JavaScript? Are you confused? Don't worry, we have got a solution for you. If you are a beginner in programming or considering learning a new language, you may be wondering which one is the better option. In this video, we'll go through the pros and cons of both Python and JavaScript to help you decide which one is the right choice for you. So let's get started. So Python and JavaScript both are very famous and popular and demanding programming languages in the tech industry. We will discuss both of them one after another, so keep watching the video. First, let's talk about Python. Python is a high-level interpreted programming language that is popular for its simplicity and readability. It's often used for the most in-demand skills and technologies like data analysis, machine learning, and scientific computing, and in back-end web development. It's beginner-friendly, so if you're just getting started, then Python would be a good choice. But first, let's discuss some pros and cons of this programming language. So the first advantage of learning Python is that it is easy to learn and use. Syntax is simple and easy to read, making it easy to understand what the code is doing. It has large and supportive community with many online resources and documentation available. Another interesting fact about Python is that it has powerful libraries and frameworks for data analysis, machine learning, and scientific computing. And guess what? These technologies are high in demand right now and will be growing in the future. While Python is a powerful and versatile language, it does have some disadvantages that you should be aware of. Let's discuss few of them. The first demerit is speed. Python is interpreted language and it is slower than many other programming languages out there. This might not be an issue for smaller projects, but for large-scale applications or real-time systems, the performance difference could be significant. Memory consumption. Python's simplicity and ease of use come at the cost of higher memory consumption. This can be a drawback for projects with strict memory constraints or when working with large datasets. Python's dynamic typing and garbage collections make it less efficient than other languages in handling memory intensive tasks. Now, let's move on to JavaScript. JavaScript is a high level interpreted programming language that is mainly used for front end web development. Although it also used for backend development with Node.js, it's also in demand because of the web development. JavaScript is a versatile language that can be used for both front-end and back-end web development, having large and active community with many libraries and frameworks available. It's ideal for web development because of many libraries like React, Angular, Express, and Node.js, which makes it easy to build web applications. Along with that, JavaScript runs faster as compared with Python and is optimized for browser performance. But as I mentioned it earlier, you should be aware of demerits of the technology you are using. So when compared with Python, the syntax of JavaScript is a bit more difficult and complex to read and understand, as well as debugging can be more challenging, as errors may not be caught until runtime. And the most alarming one is that it is more prone to security vulnerabilities due to its wide usage on the web. So we have discussed the merits and demerits of both Python and JavaScript. Now the main question is that which one you should choose. The answer depends on your goals and interests. If you're interested in data analysis, scientific computing, or machine learning, Python is the better choice. However, if you're interested in web development, especially the front-end development, JavaScript is the way to go. Ultimately, both languages are excellent options to learn and have their own strengths and weaknesses. We hope you like this video. We hope this video has helped you make a more informed decision about which language to learn next. Thank you for watching video and happy coding.